Ooh, what's that flower?
So this is a cool flower here. It's a monocot, and that's why we're especially interested in it here. It's called Star of Bethlehem. And so I want to just point out a few features of the difference between monocots and Dicots. So the first, maybe most apparent, is that these have petals and flower parts in threes, which is typical of a monocot flower plant. It also has these narrow leaves. These are actually the leaves. They look a little dead here, but if they were better, you could see that they were fairly linear, and they have sort of linear leafination. And also, the reason that they have their name is the monocots is that they have a single cotyledon.
So that was interesting. It's a monocot with the flower parts in threes. By contrast,
We have here a Eudicot. This is a geranium here. And you can see the flower here has flower parts in five, so 5 petals. And also here the leaves, you can see the venation, hopefully. That is definitely not linear, it's all branched out. And of course we can't see the cotyledons, but they have two cotyledons.
hence the name.
Yes.
Ooh, great. This is a wildflower called Tradescantia virginiana. It's obviously a monocot. Why? Obviously, flower parts are in threes. We have 3 sepals, 3 petals, and also the leaves are narrow and grass-like. Some of those narrow grass-like leaves are actually grass leaves, but I think some of them are also the Tradescantia. Here's an orchid. This is called lily-leaved twayblade, Liparis liliifolia. Orchids are monocots. They're very advanced. They have irregular symmetry. They have inferior ovary. They have a lot of fusion of parts. Their flowers are even upside down. They have associations with mycorrhizal fungi. Some are not photosynthetic, but this one is. It's called, as I mentioned, it's called twayblade, Liparis liliifolia. These are the flowers of lily-leaf twayblade. Twayblade flowers, like almost all orchid flowers, are actually upside down. There's a twist in the flower stalk, so the parts of the flower that are normally down are actually up. They're upside down flowers.